Our newborn screenings for a genetic disease moving one step closer to becoming law.
And if passed, spinal muscular atrophy would become the 31st mandated disease in Arkansas for screening. KRK4's Jesse Tenor joins us live from the state capitol with more on this. Jesse?
Yeah, Ashley and Bob, last year the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services recommended SMA screening nationwide. 3 states have since mandated it, while 11 others are in the process. Families affected by the disease told state lawmakers today why Arkansas should be number 15.
My husband and I, neither one knew that we were carriers of SMA.
8-year-old Zoe Dillon watches her mom speak to Arkansas lawmakers about her life with spinal muscular atrophy, or SMA, a genetic disease that affects muscle movement.
We put her in a wheelchair before she was 2 because they told me she would never stand and she would never walk.
The girl sitting next to Zoe, 9-year-old Bella Looper, whose mom couldn't get the SMA diagnosis for her until she was 5.
It was just a roller coaster of emotions and fears, and she had to go through a lot of testing, and all of those things could have been avoided.
Then Crystal and Josh Turner came before lawmakers without their daughter, Briley Faith, because she died in the hospital.
Our daughter lived 61 days, and she'd be here right now. We had treatment then, and we do now.
The new medication delays the disease for future patients. These girls and their parents are working with lawmakers to require newborn screenings for SMA, a $9 blood test that would give parents a diagnosis during the first few days of their child's life. The group believes the faster the disease is treated, the more likely a life could be saved.
My daughter could be running and jumping as much as my son does.
The health department cannot yet test for SMA because those tests have not yet been FDA approved. If lawmakers do pass this beforehand, the health department did say that it could initiate what's known as homebrew tests and then switch over to the FDA approved ones. Live at the state capitol, I'm Jesse Tenor.
All right.